Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Google Meet from Android phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, locate the Google Meet app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store on your phone. Now, once you locate the app, all you have to do is long press on the app. Then a small menu will appear where you can see there's app info at the top right corner. Then three other options like select, remove and uninstall. If you tap on remove, it will only be removed from your home screen. You have to tap on uninstall option. Then from the bottom you can see a small menu appearing. There you have to tap on OK. Then your app will start uninstalling. And guys, that's it. That's how you uninstall Google Meet from Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.